Balance on receivables ledger control account. You are an employee of ABC Co. and have been asked to help prepare the end-of-year statements for the period ended 30 November 20X7 by agreeing the figure for the total receivables. The following figures relating to the financial year have been obtained from the books of the original entry. Purchases for the year: $90,487. Sales: $118,047. Returns inwards: $10,307. Returns outwards: $4,245. Irrecoverable debts written off: $479. Discounts allowed: $668. Discounts received: $466. Checks paid to suppliers: $85,698. Checks received from customers: $107,453. Customer checks dishonored: $157. You discover that at the close of business on 30 November 20X6, the total of the receivables amounted to $12,561. What is the balance on the receivables ledger control account at 30 November 20X7? Answer: Receivables ledger control. Balance B over D: $12,561. Sales: $118,047. Checks dishonored: $157. Total: $130,765. Returns inwards: $10,307. Irrecoverable debts written off: $479. Discounts allowed: $668. Checks received: $107,453. Balance C over D: $11,858. Total: $130,765.